In this video, I'm going to be going over the essential things that I think that you need to have before you start working on your vehicle. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this video will suffice. So let's get into it. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. Like I said in the intro, this video is going to be aimed at beginners and professionals and in between. The most essential items that you need before you work on a vehicle. Whether it's a DIY project or if it's a professional service, I believe that these will help in the long run. The very first item that I recommend is a workshop manual. So are you attempting a project that you haven't really known the correct steps, which is what brought you to YouTube in the first place, but certain people or certain channels exempt a few things? This is where e-manuals come in. You can check out emanuals.com to purchase a lifetime workshop manual for your specific project, whether it's an oil change or engine rebuild, transmission upgrade, or whatever it is that you're doing. emanuals.com has the manual for you, and they cater for all types of projects, whether it's electronics, vehicle specific, engine specific, you name it, it is there. Check out emanuals.com via the link down in the video description, where they cater from vehicles all the way from Audi all the way to VW, BMW to Mercedes. The amount of time that you'll be saving by purchasing a workshop manual is immense. In the manual, you'll find specific items such as torque specs, specific tools, procedures, and more. I use the workshop manual for coming to change the turbo on my vehicle, and the steps were immense. It saved me so much of time from fiddling and faffing around from whatever was needed, and it got me direct to the point, as well as the amount of torque specs and everything that you specifically need. So if you're looking for a manual, I would suggest check out emanuals.com by the link in the description and use code Preshaan22 at checkout for saving yourself 22% on your workshop manual. Let's get back into the video. The second thing that I feel is the most important, with the amount of electronics that are in modern vehicles, you need a diagnostic tool. Whether it's a professional one like this or an entry-level one like this, or if it's a service that you can use via your phone through an OBD adapter or dongle or whatever it is, a professional, fully licensed tool is your best bet. On the BMW, there's so many modules, there's so many different things that can go wrong. You need to have something that's able to pull out live data and that's able to start to read codes and be able to clear them. To give you BMW or vehicle specific codes that you can look up will give you the pinpoint accuracy and location to what you need to replace. This is our Launch X431. We've been using this for well over 2 years. I haven't had a single hiccup with this, and before this we had this is a Launch X123 code reader. This is the entry-level code reader that you can do for any vehicle. It has the basic amount of features, whether it's engine, transmission, airbags, or ABS systems, whatever it is. This is your go-to for your simple on-the-go diagnostics. And then you have this, the X431 Pro. This is the V3. This is for more intricate items such as coding, such as reprogramming, or more accurate readings, where it has every single module. This is a fully paid up version, and they have support for well over 2 years. If you need more, you can always renew the license. But that's on a different topic. The launch is not sponsored to this video in any way. Whatever I speak about in this video will all be linked in the video description for you guys to check it out. When it comes to coding, I use the Beamer Geeks Pro tool. They also have a module for diagnostics. Now I use the Beamer Geeks Pro tool to code out check warning lights for the hot and cold check for the LCI conversion, linked up in the corner up here. And I never had an issue since. Using it on other BMWs or other E90s via the K-Decant cable, which I purchased separately, was an absolute dream, and it works wonders. So yeah, link in the description for everything that you check out. So let's go on to the next one. The third thing that I believe that you need to have is the specific tools. Now you'll see in previous videos that I've used an array of tools, where it's impact drivers, torque screwdrivers, torque bits, whatever it is. That is the most intricate thing that you need. You can have a complete arsenal of tools, but if you don't have the right tool for the job, you're not going to get anywhere. So I would invest in a proper set of tools, whether it's a 1/2 inch drive, 1/4 inch drive, or 3/8 drive. You'll be doing yourself a load of wonders. Be it a simple set like a 1/4 inch drive, which has bits all the way from T10 all the way to T40 in a 1/4 inch drive, where there's a 3/8 drive all the way to that. Link in the description for everything you need to check out. I've used a multiple array of tools, and you cannot believe how much it has saved me time. Whether it is using the 1/2 inch drive on things that need more torque, or a 1/4 inch drive on things that are in very intricate places. Whether it's screwdrivers or whatever it is, a good set of tools is always key. Fourth is lighting. Even if you happen to pick up a cheap set of lights, whether it's this type of LED handheld light like what I've used in previous videos, I like this one here because it's LED, it's bright, it has a magnet mount, so you can hook it up to the bonnet of the car, or you can hook it up underneath with any magnet mount or metal surface. Proper lighting is key. If you cannot see what you're doing, you're not going to be able to understand what's happening, and especially in areas where it's hard to reach, whether it's a little handheld light or a big light like this, or even floor lights like what I've used in previous videos as well. That will save you a lot of time. So lighting is one of the most important aspects in working on your car. Another simple thing that I'll recommend is the importance of a good quality jack and jack stand. Just recently we purchased a 4-ton low profile jack, and that has been a game changer for us when it comes to working on cars, especially when working on my car because it's a little bit low. I've been able to jack up the vehicle from the front, put the 2 stands in, and do whether it is the turbo replacement, link up in the corner and in the video description, or whether it is the oil change, which I've also done for the previous couple of videos, link in the description or link up in the corner as well. Proper tools is key. Now that will fall into one aspect, whether it's the tools that you need to purchase or whatever, that will be the most important thing. Other things that you can use to keep in the vehicle for day-to-day running or more quality of life enhancements, this BMW mobility kit is a key item. You can purchase either this, or you can get a cheap aftermarket solution, whether it's a normal air compressor you can get as a kit, but a tire inflating kit or compressor is key. I have low profile tires, and having this in the car is a life changer. I don't have to be stranded on the road. I can repair the tire with ease and have it inflated and go about my day without having to stress if I'm going to get something damaged. Even if you have a small leak, for example, you can always keep using the compressor to fill it up until you get it sorted out, or if you're in a jam. So if you have anything else that you'd like to add to this list, please leave it down in the comments down below. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. It'll help me grow immensely on YouTube, and I really do appreciate all your support. Like I mentioned, everything that I've spoken about in this video will be linked in the video description, as well as don't forget to use Preshaan22 as discount when you're buying your workshop manual. You'll thank me later. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Do please leave your feedback down below. Follow me on all social media, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.